Hi guys, Kyle here, and I'm Iowa's photographer. Now today I want to talk about this brand new lens I just picked up. It is the Sigma 24-70 f2.8 art lens. Now the guys at the camera store told me that this was the first 24-70 Sigma lens for the Sony cameras to be sold in the state of Iowa. I'm so honored that they chose me of all people to sell this to. Now, why do so many people want this lens? Well, that's an easy answer. It's the value. The Sigma version of this lens for the Sony camera is $1,100, while the Sony 24-70 is $2,200. But for me, I'm more interested in the quality of the image. So what are we doing in my office? Let's go outside and take some photos. I wanted to see what the focal ranges of 24 and 70 millimeters look like while taking the photo in the same spot. You get a good idea of what the zoom capabilities look like on the Sigma 24-70 millimeter lens. One thing I was looking out for with the Sigma lens was chromatic aberration, and luckily I didn't see any. This lens is incredibly fast and sharp. I feel like I'm using a Sony native lens. It feels good in my hands, and the zoom is super easy to use. It's not too tight or too loose. That's why so many people want this lens. For half the price of the Sony lens, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, in my opinion, the 24-70 lens is your perfect walking around lens. It allows you to get a lot of variety of shots. Whether you're trying to capture everything in the frame or zoom in to highlight something specific, the 24-70 has you covered. So now's the big question. Would I recommend buying this lens? Absolutely. For half the price, you are getting basically a Sony lens. The only issue you're going to have as of recording this video is that these are not out yet. So best of luck getting your hands on the Sigma 24-70 lens. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.